Can your concrete do this? Or this?
Oh yeah.
Elephant armor can. So Jim, what is elephant armor?
Elephant armor is a patented, high-fiber, engineered ductile mortar that contains a low embodied energy, high cementitious formulation. Elephant armor is incredibly flexible and allows for movement in the surface it's bonded to. In addition to the mechanical bond, our fiber creates a fully engaged molecular bond within the mortar matrix, providing extremely high tensile and flexural strength.
Here's how elephant armor was used to repair a spalling road panel in the Mortar Merrimac Tunnel in Virginia.
First, the crumbling failed surface is removed. Elephant armor is ready to use, just add water. A slurry coat is applied for additional bonding strength. Elephant armor's ability to flex is a result of an unparalleled volume of fiber content within our patented design matrix. Because elephant armor sets up and cures so quickly, repairs to be made on high traffic areas without major interruption. This gives the repaired surface a new life cycle, greatly reducing downtime for repairs and overall labor cost. Elephant armor is easy to apply with readily available tools such as our elephant armor rollers and squeegee trowels. In just 2 hours, the repair was completed and the lane was returned to service.
Now let's go to the San Mateo Bridge in California.
Caltrans is using elephant armor on a 3-year project to bring the bridge back to its original specification without having to fully deconstruct and reconstruct the over 1,000 failing structural support beams.
Sidewalk repairs with elephant armor.
This severely cracked sidewalk was repaired and returned to service in just 3 hours, giving the surface a new life cycle at a greatly reduced cost.
It's still like new after 5 years.
There's no need for forming curbs with elephant armor, just trowel it on.
Airports are also taking advantage of elephant armor's quick turnaround time.
Due to this crack, the 20-foot by 20-foot by 18-inch thick apron panel would normally have to be removed and replaced. This would cause interruption to service for days. The area was prepared for a crack fill and overlay procedure. Here we see the crack being filled with elephant armor. An elephant armor overlay is then applied to the damaged area. With elephant armor, the repair was completed and the apron was returned to service in just 2 hours, realizing great savings for the airport.
Here we see elephant armor perform on trip hazard repairs and ADA compliance.
Elephant armor is the perfect solution for making repairs to dangerous trip hazards. GST textured rollers are required for placement due to the high fiber content of the elephant armor patented mixed design. GST squeegee trowels smooth the surface quickly and easily. A non-slip broom finish can also be applied if desired. The edges are then finished with a standard edging tool. Water is then sprayed on the repaired area to assist the curing process. The trip hazard is repaired and returned to service in just 2 hours.
Making walkways ADA compliant is easy with elephant armor without costly deconstruction and reconstruction. Now let's go to Hilo Hattie's in Honolulu, Hawaii.
This leaking rooftop parking lot was repaired with a waterproof barrier and an elephant armor overlay. This greatly extended the life cycle of the structure with minimum cost and interruption to service to customers.
Vertical repairs are easily repaired without forming.
Another example of Elephant Armor's versatility is its capacity to repair vertical surfaces without forming. These severely worn and damaged seawalls were given new life by encapsulating them with Elephant Armor DOT. Because Elephant Armor can be rolled on and finished, considerable labor savings were attained at this skateboard park. This method of reconstruction drastically reduced the overall cost of the project in comparison to deconstruction and rebuild.
Watch how Elephant Armor repaired this warehouse floor in California.
Due to constant heavy forklift traffic, this warehouse floor was in drastic need of repair. Removal and replacement of the damaged concrete would not only be costly, but would also interrupt the use of the warehouse for weeks. GST rollers with depth gauges are used to place the Elephant Armor overlay. Due to Elephant Armor's high flexibility and workability, a 1/4 inch overlay was applied to the prepared surface in days at a fraction of the cost of traditional repair methods. The Elephant Armor overlay was applied to alternate panels, and then the remaining panels were completed. Savings of 80% were realized by using Elephant Armor instead of the original remove and replace estimate.
Stamping with Elephant Armor is a natural.
Its ease of use and high flexural and bond strength make Elephant Armor ideal for stamped overlay projects. Roller stamping is a breeze with Elephant Armor. The Elephant Armor overlay readily takes on the texture of the roller and cures to a hard finish. Stairs and entries can be given a new life at low cost. These damaged concrete stairs were overlaid without deconstruction or forming, saving time, money, and reducing the disruption of service.
Elephant Armor can also be colored or stained.
Here, a 1/4 inch Elephant Armor overlay was applied with color to an existing prepared wooden surface. Elephant Armor can also be sprayed onto most prepared substrates to create decorative surfaces such as this wine cave in Napa Valley.
Elephant Armor is ideal for micro-trenching reinstatement.
Here we see Elephant Armor asphalt repair being line pumped with a volumetric mixer into a fiber optic cable micro trench, providing an odor-free, environmentally friendly, cost-effective solution. Its superior bond and flexural strength, ease of use, and short curing time make it the perfect reinstatement material.
Now we're off to Universal Studios in Florida.
Here at Universal Studios, Elephant Armor is used to repair a dangerous trip hazard. Elephant Armor is the ideal solution for repairs in theme parks, where interruptions in service are not an option. Elephant Armor, a new generation technology that is revolutionizing the way we repair concrete surfaces.
Elephant Armor, the world's most amazing cementitious repair and overlay product. Visit our video gallery at gstinternational.com for more examples of Elephant Armor's cost benefits and versatility.